Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to review this customized calendar whiteboard, this glass whiteboard. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to get a customized glass whiteboard. This one is actually a really nice whiteboard. So as you can see here, I use this for my workouts right now. And so you can customize the name on top. And then here you just have a default structured calendar. And so I've attached this in my garage. And so what it looks like as far as the attachments go is that it comes with these screws, and you basically just screw it into the wall and then place the whiteboard over it just like that. So I've had this for a couple of years now, and it's very, very easy to use. I mean, obviously it's a whiteboard, so you can write notes on it, you can write your priorities on it, you can X out dates, you can have a to-do list. I use this as my grocery shopping list, and you can also write reminders as well. So it's a really nice piece of whiteboard to have. Obviously, the color of the wall is technically going to be the color of your whiteboard. So with the white wall, we have a clear through glass. Therefore, the whiteboard ultimately ends up being white as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go and explain what this glass whiteboard is. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.